What does it mean when your Audi battery light comes on in Rowlett? When driving, it's always important to pay attention to the signals the car is sending you. In general, the most modern vehicles like Audi have a 12-volt battery. If the voltage created by the electrical charging system is low, a battery warning light comes on. Without a charging battery, the vehicle will not stay running for long. When the battery light comes on, you have to inspect the following components. Cracked alternator belt. An alternator belt connects the alternator, engine, and accessories together. When the alternator belt is cracked, it will activate the battery warning light. Loose battery cable. Battery cables should fit snugly around the battery terminals to provide a good connection. If the battery cable is loose, then it will illuminate the battery warning light on the dashboard. Dead battery. Normally the 12-volt batteries of the Audi have a 3 to 5 years lifespan or more. With age, the electrolyte solution can leak and activate the battery warning light. Faulty wiring. There are a lot of wires involved in the electric charging system of the vehicle. If any of these are broken or disconnected, then the battery warning light may come on. Corroded battery terminals. Positive and negative battery terminals are channels for the electricity to flow in the engine. Corroded battery terminals are the poor conductors and source of a bad connection. If you are driving the Audi with a battery warning light, then it will cause a dangerous situation on the road. When it happens, try to get to a mechanic as soon as possible for fixing it. Visit us.